Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Now, guys, if you have one of these Vivosun 800 gallons per hour pumps, if you're using them for a while, they tend to be good, but you might run into issues where it's not pushing enough water, or of course you turn it on and it's making a lot of noise, and the water level that it usually push is not pushing the amount of water. I'm going to show you to fix an issue where, of course, the Vivosun pump is just not working. Working meaning it's just making noise and it's not pushing any water at all, or not working. All right. Now, the fun thing about these, if you have multiple of these, is great. If the one breaks, do not throw them away, as you can scrap them for parts. All right. Or you can just check the mechanisms on the inside. Sometimes it needs a cleaning. And of course, mine was giving some issues, and I was able to get it back to functionality by working on it. If you have only one, this might be the difference between buying a new pump or getting it working just enough to function. All right, so here we go. So right away, you'll notice there's no screws. So what I did was to fix this. This section is not necessary to open for, in most cases, to fix. So we're going to open the front. So you're going to carefully find these grooves. I'm using this tool here, which is a flat phone or tablet opening tool. It's almost chisel tipped. Notice it's very fine, it's very thin. So you'll get into these grooves, so you'll have to open from the grooves. So we're going to get it in the grooves, slide it along the grooves to cause separation. We're going to turn just to create some room. Do the other side. All right, there you go. Do the base. You may have to apply liberal amount of force. So you get the top sections here. There you go. And that should have caused a separation. Alright, check this out. So once you do, force the housing open. With a liberal amount of force, should slide right off. Alright. So this is just the front cover. And with mine, when it was giving some issues, I got it to work again. You're going to turn. Notice this is a groove. It slides up and down, so turn it anti-clockwise. Do not try to force it off or pry it off. It's just a groove. Simply turn. Alright, so once you turn far enough, remove this section here. And this is the internal mechanism, the impeller. Now, if you're not getting water flow, the impeller is the cause. Now, either the impeller is damaged, or of course, it is being impeded. All right, so you're gonna remove it. It's magnetic. It should come right out. All right, so once you do, there should be a rubber gasket on the end of this. So two rubber gaskets on this end and the other. If you do not see it, it's right down there, so I can retrieve it. Let me try to get this out. It's okay if it doesn't want to come out. All right. But if it doesn't come out, do not worry yourself, guys. It's meant to be down in here. So if it doesn't come out, it's fine. Now, of course, when it's on, what happens is that both ends, it has this rubber gasket. It fits into the groove, so it can help with the turning. So if it's stuck or if it's lodged into its slot down there, you can leave it. I'll try to show you. I don't know if I can able to see it, but it's all the way down there. Let's see if I can show. There you go. So it's that section down there, it's the middle one there. It will sometimes come out, sometimes it will be stuck, but it doesn't really matter. As long as it's there, it's good. All right, so with mine, here was calcified with some stuff. So all I did was to get something abrasive. You can use something like, they call that thing, our scoring pad to rub this down. I was able to do it by lightly removing the substance that was stick to the surface, and once I clean it, I washed it down. Check the impeller to make sure everything is fine. Clean that as well and wash it. Make sure I wash out these sections here to make sure nothing was obstructing the impeller. Once I was finished, all I did was to place this back on. Sometimes the base section here would come out as well, so I'll have two rubbers on the front and one on the back. If yours is still in there, it's fine. Just simply place the front one here. And once you do, guys, just simply place it back in. And once you place it back in and everything is good, what you do next is to simply place the front cover back on. Notice the groove again, and close and close. So once you do that, what should happen is that everything should start working again. Sometimes it might miss on the first try when you plug it in. You may have to plug out and plug it back in second time, or you may have to disassemble and reassemble a few times, but it should start working. So that's how to fix your Vivosun when it's just not pumping as it should. Do hope this was helpful. As always, Ricardo Gardner from Block Tech Tips. You can ask the questions below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.